How to create Snapchat business account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So to establish a business presence on Snapchat, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and create a Snapchat account for your business. Download and open the Snapchat application, log into your account, or you can tap on sign up and choose your business email and company details instead of your personal information. Then choose a business-related username and finish the login or the sign-up process. Now, once done, you can set up Snapchat Ads Manager. You can also go to ads.snapchat.com, log into your Snapchat account, follow the on-screen instructions to create your business profile, add your billing information, business name, and other relevant details like your name, your phone number, email, address line, city, country, and postcode as well. You can also begin designing ads, filters, and lenses for your business. Another thing you can do is you can use a recognizable profile picture such as your company logo, write a short bio that clearly describes your business, and you can share stories and interact with your followers to build engagement. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.